In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to Word quickly and easily. So if you do have a PDF and you want to turn it into an editable Word document, make sure to watch this video all the way through. And before we do get started, don't forget to leave a like on this video, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. So as you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop, and you can see I've got this PDF here that I want to convert to a Word document. Now, there's a really quick way to do this without using any additional software. So if you do have Microsoft Word, then what you want to do is open this up. And if you just basically drag the file into Microsoft Word, what it's going to do is come up with a message like this, saying that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. So what you can do is just click OK, and it's going to go ahead and convert your PDF into a Word document. From here, you can go ahead and actually edit the document as well. And once you've done that, you can either file and save this as a Word document, or you can export it back if you want it back into a PDF. So that's how to convert a PDF to Word. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.